Sports' annual Super Soccer match between the Morphle Reds, Morphle, Mila and Jordie, and Magic Pets United, Animi, Incra, and Telepup. This is a Super Soccer match, so you can't use your hands, but you can use magic power.
And the winning team will get this gold trophy.
Let's score some goals. And remember, not to use your hands. Yeah, go Morphle! Huh? Where did the ball go? Oh, man!
Woohoo! That's 1 point for Magic Pets United.
Ready, Morphle?
Ready, Mila.
Animi, you used your hands. Foul for Magic Pets United. Free kick for Morphle Reds.
Yeah!
Halftime.
Let's go,
There's no way we can win. Listen, guys, we may be down, but we're not out. It's not over till it's over. We just have to work as a team. Now, let's go win that trophy. Yeah! Morphle Reds! Morphle Reds! The ball is alive. A little help here, Morphle. Thanks, Animi.
No goal. Play on.
Go, Morphle! You can do it!
Let's go!
Whoa! 1-1!
Time.
The game's over? Who won? It's a tie.
What time, Mila?
Both teams win!
Yay!
Where is the other team?
Wow!
It's Pet Park Cleanup Day! Let's make our beautiful town even more beautiful.
Never clean!
Bubblebear, your bubbles are making Petport even prettier. Huh?
Rainbow bubbles!
What's happened? His tail went in my paint. Ah! Bubblebear, stop! We're supposed to be cleaning up Petport, not making it messier. We need to clean the paint off your tail. We have to stop him before Petport becomes paintport. Do something, Morphle! Let's go! The whole town is getting messed up. Watch out! Morphle, spin your blades as fast as you can and blow the bubbles away.
What? Huh?
We need to wash that paint off. But how?
Never get water!
That's better.
Phew! Guys, we have to find Bubblebear. There he is! Let's get him! Time to clean you up, Bubblebear. Let's make the town cleaner than ever. Bye-bye, Piggy Snack Snack.
Wow! Great job cleaning up the town.
Thanks, Daddy.
Actually, I prefer the fence with the paint splats.
Five, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, how'd you guys like my tap dancing? Amazing, Mila. Okay, Jordie, your turn to try my tap dancing shoes. Well, I'll try. I don't think I'm very good at this. A little help here, please, Animi? Wait. Whoa! Awesome! Whoa! Not so awesome! I can't stop dancing! Oh no, we've got to help him!
What's that?
Oh! Hi, Orphle?
What's Jordie doing?
Nothing. Just taking a walk.
Jordie dancing well.
I can't stop dancing.
Ah, Jordie, no go. More dancing.
We'll stop your dancing, Jordie.
Ah, no stopping. Dancing funny.
I can't stop. Or change direction. Help! Morphle, morph into a crane and grab Jordie. Thanks, Morphle. Don't worry, Jordie. We'll fix this.
Jordie, keep dancing.
Make this stop.
I often do that. Often love Jordie dance.
But Jordie's not enjoying it. Morphle, morph into a hot air balloon. Here we come, Jordie. Hurry. Gotcha. Get us back to the Magic Pet Center, please, Morphle.
Okie dokie.
Morphle, stop! Put me down, Orphle.
Jordie, great dancer.
I am. Maybe I am. Here we are, Jordie.
Got him. Oh, no. Orphle loves dancing show.
Animi, please zap those tap shoes and stop Jordie dancing. What went wrong? Nothing. The shoes are still dancing because I'm making them dance. I love dancing.
Go, Jordie.
Yeah, let's all dance. Yeah!
Ooh, butterfly.
Did you hear Daddy's got a surprise for us?
Ooh, Morphle loves surprises.
Here I am.
Wow! Whoa, it's a train!
Who wants a ride?
Me!
Orphle one train.
Whoa!
Oh no! Orphle's taking the train on a joyride, and he doesn't know how to drive it. We'll get the train back, Daddy.
Be careful!
Here's your cake, Officer Freeze.
Watch out! Whoa! Sorry, Officer Freeze!
Slow down. You kids be careful.
Look out, Morphle! Oh man, how are we going to catch up to Orphle now? Oh, like that. There he is! Wait, does Orphle know you can't drive in sand? And now he's stuck.
Choo-choo, now go!
No train for anybody, Orphle. If you don't get it to the park.
Awful sorry.
We forgive you, Orphle. Come on, buddy.
Thank you.
I have an idea. Let's fly it there, Morphle. Yahoo! Yeah! Woohoo!
Thanks for getting the train back.
Yay! Orphe's train!
Orphle.
Okay, everybody's train.
Cool! Here's our Father's Day card for Daddy. Have you got his present, Mila? Ta-da! You're giving Daddy his slippers? Yeah! But I'm going to make them even more brilliant. Animi, please bring them to life.
Funny slippers.
Are you sure this is a good idea? Well,
Are you all ready? Daddy's here!
happy Father's Day!
Oh, thank you.
Here's your present.
Whoa! What's going on?
We brought your slippers to life. Now they can love you as much as you love them.
Oh, thank you guys. What a unique gift. We're all going out now, so I've got to take you off. Oh, I can't take them off.
Uh-oh. We gotta get those slippers off of Daddy's feet.
You come with me, Animi.
Help me! Help me!
Those slippers are so fast.
Get them off me! Ah! Please stop, please stop, please stop, please stop!
Follow them, Morphle. Go as fast as you can.
Morphle, get Daddy.
Oh no. Morphle, get Daddy any way you can.
Get these things off my feet! Oh.
Yes. Great shot, Morphle.
Oh, thank you for catching me. Now please, take my slippers off.
Come on, slippers.
Smelly slippers stuck.
What are we going to do? Come on. Huh?
Guys?
They love Daddy. Morphle, morph into a Daddy disguise. I'm Daddy, and I want my slippers. Where are my comfy old slippers? No,
Thank you, Mila. I think I like them more like this.
Morphle catch! Oops! Huh? Hello, would you like to play with us? Hi, I'm Jordie, and this is Mila. And this is Morphle, my magic pet. Hello!
I'm Miguel. Did you say magic pet?
Yes! Show him, Morphle.
Morphle,
Wow! That was amazing!
Morphle's my magic match, which means he's my bestest best friend.
Oh, I wish I had a magic match.
You might have one. Let's check. Let's see what the magic matchmaker says. Oh, you've got a magic match, Miguel. With Bubblebear.
Bubblebear?
Let's go find him. Ooh, I'm so excited for you. Look, Bubbles!
Bubblebear! I hope it's him.
Miguel, meet your magic match. You're not Bubblebear. There he is.
Bubblebear!
Miguel!
Help! Get me out of here!
We gotta do something.
Morphle rescue! Into them!
Let's go! Whoa!
Help! I'm getting dizzy.
Morphle, don't you?
Oh, thanks for rescuing us, you three.
We have to get Miguel! But there are too many bubbles! This is a job for a pterodactyl!
Into them!
Good job, Morphle!
Hi, Bubblebear. I think I'm your magic match.
Yay! Bubblebear, meet Miguel.
Hello.
Congratulations, you two.
Thank you for being my friends and finding my magic match.
I'm so excited you're moving in, Jordie.
Daddy Deanna married!
Being a new stepbrother and living with the magic pets is going to be awesome, Mila.
Jordie family!
We're going to get the rest of our things so we can properly move into our new home.
Okay, Mom.
Mila, why don't you and Morphle help Jordie settle in?
Sure thing, Daddy. Let's start with this. It's so heavy. Animi, can you please zap the bed to life? Wow. Jordie's bed. Could you please trot upstairs? My bed just ran away. That's the weirdest thing I've ever said. You'll get used to that. Come on, let's catch it. There's my bed. We've got to get close enough for Animi to zap it again.
Morphle now!
Let's get that bed. Whoa! Is this safe? Don't worry, Jordie. Morphle's got you.
Huh? A galloping bed? Not in my city. Whoa!
Sorry, Officer Freeze. Yeah! Zap it, Animi. Maybe we should just buy a new bed. Let's use our nets. Almost. Got it. Let's try another way. Morphle, morph into a helicopter. What? What's happening? I've got an idea, but you're not gonna like it. You're right! I don't like it! Yeah! Get closer, Morphle! Got you! Hold on tight! Whoa! Time to take this bed hunt to the next level. There's another level? Well done, Morphle. Now let's cover it. Here comes my bed. Now, Morphle! It's working! Great job, Morphle. That's it, bed. Nowhere to go. Stop it, Animi.
Is everyone okay? What have you been up to?
We've just been making my bed.
Hey, why don't we ask Animi to help get your bed upstairs?
No thanks. We'll help you carry it. What feels funny, Giggle Bunny?
Oh.
Let Dr. Mila take a look. They seem okay to me.
Oh.
Giggle Bunny's arm might need a bandage, Dr. Mila. Can you make this look like a bandage, please, Nurse Chroma? Thanks, Nurse Chroma.
Hi, everyone. Giggle Bunny and Chroma. It's time to go.
Did you hear that? There'll be 2 magic pets in the Petmobile. This is our chance to get them.
Looks like someone is hungry. That was fun. Now, let's get going. See you later. Hey! Winston and the bandits have the pets.
Don't worry. We'll get them back. Morphle, morph into an ambulance so we can zoom after them. Let's go!
Be careful.
You look ridiculous.
Don't say another word. Get us out of here.
If only we had a bulldozer, we could go over this easier. That's a great idea.
Stop right there. Don't tell me what to do.
Faster, Morphle! They're getting away! A fire truck can catch up to them. Yes! Morphle, morph into a fire truck, please.
It's not funny.
Raise the ladder, Morphle. Now let's stop these bandits. Take that! Aw, hello, you two.
Give up.
Dr. Mila, I think they need your help.
Oh, I actually liked our new color.
The floor is hot. Don't touch it.
Whoops. What the Jello is happening?
Jello lava?
Help! What a delicious disaster! Whoa, whoa.
We have to rescue them.
Mila, help!
But how are we going to do it? Good thinking, Morphle. Yuck.
Get me out of this.
Don't worry, Officer Freeze. We'll rescue you. Here we come!
Well, I guess we should help. Right, Molly? Aww. Pull as hard as you can.
Thank you, Jello rescuers.
Help me! I'm stuck!
Look, it's Geraldo.
Morphle, can you pull this van out?
Got it, Mila. Not got it, Mila.
Whoa, help! Morphle, let's go! Pull, Morphle!
Thanks for rescuing me! Who would like an ice cream? Huh?
Mila! Help!
Sorry, we don't have time to eat. Wait, that's it! Eat the Jello!
They're gonna rescue us by eating all the Jello? Ha! Genius!
Woohoo!
Whoa!
There's just too much Jello.
Morphle idea. Incredible!
Super Slurping Morphle.
Huh? Whoa!
Grab them! Daddy! Got you!
Morphle fall. Morphle never want Jello again.
Jordie, Jenny, is our animal costume show super exciting or what? Totally! I'm super excited too!
Hey kids, we're gonna get Aunt Augustine so she can watch the show with us.
Okay, Daddy. What animal are you going to be, Morphle?
Morphle now. Orphle play too.
Orphle? Okay, you can be in the show, but you have to choose a different animal. Morphle's already the lion.
Orphle lion.
Oh, no.
No Orphle lion, no show.
Orphle, bring the stage back. Daddy and Gianna will be back any minute with Aunt Augustine.
Let's go.
Yeah! Get after him, Morphle. There he is. How are we going to get our stage back?
Oh, Morphle now.
I bet you can't jump through a moving hoop, Orphle.
Orphle can. See?
Shrub Cup, don't let him get away.
Orphle stuck.
Way to go, Shrub Cup. Now we've got to get the stage back to the Magic Pet Center. Morphle? Woohoo! Yeah!
Orphle stage.
Thanks, Morphle. But now what do we do? The juggle set's ruined.
Hello, kids. I can't wait to see your show.
Sorry, Aunt Augustine. We don't have a set. No set, no show. Wait! Shrubka can make the jungle. Awesome! Yay! show. Well, I don't see why not. Yeah, Morphle!
Orphle monster truck too!
What's that? Doubler has doubled Orphle! Oh no! That means double trouble! You didn't mean to double them. It was an accident.
Ah! Monster truck, Orphle? Not in my... Whoa! Ah!
They're getting away! Faster, Morphle! Get us close to the Orphles so Doubler can undouble them. Gotcha! Don't worry, Doubler. Everything's going to be okay. More Orphles! Oh no! That means double trouble! Look out, Orphle! I mean, Orphles! They're out of control. The Orphles landed in the sea. We gotta save them. Morphle, morph into a giant robot. Hang on, everybody. I can't look. Zap them, Doubler. But you're Orphle.
Oh, right.
And one Orphle is plenty. Yay!
Bouncy! Orphle bounce.
Uh-oh.
Here you go, Giggle Bunny. We don't want you getting hungry and making people laugh too much, do we?
What happening?
Giggle Bunny and Orphle? He must be using Orphle to find food. Orphle's laughing out of control. Then we have to get them back quick.
Let's go!
According to the Magic Pet Primer, Giggle Bunny will make you laugh non-stop until you feed him snacks. Well, it's lucky I brought these. Giggle Bunny, don't you want some yummy carrots? They're going to bounce into the lake. Do something, Morphle. to feed these to Giggle Bunny, so we'll stop Orphle laughing. But how?
Wonderful idea! And tickle dance!
Giggle Bunny, gummy carrots! They're running out of room! Quick, Morphle! Morph into a giant inflatable slide!
Morphle!
Huh? Oh no! Oh no! The carrots! What are we going to get Giggle Bunny to eat now? Aha! One of these! Oh, carrot cake! Great idea! Yay! Orphle can stop laughing!
Awful tired. Ow! Awful laugh no more.
Poor Orphle. Huh? Oh no! Morphle, I know what will cheer you up. Blah. My invention is done! I've invented a youth serum, which I will demonstrate on my assistant. Oh, that's so cute! I don't know how to take care of a baby. You have to take her to her daddy while I make an antidote to change her back. Mila?
Mila, no cry. Mila, hungry? Mila! Mila, where are you?
Morphle. Boy, am I glad to see you. I had the strangest dream. I dreamed that I was a baby. Isn't that silly? Huh? Look! My latest invention, the Teddy Zapper. It can turn humans into teddy bears. Woo! I'm so soft. Isn't this great?
Morphle, play with teddy bear, Mila.
Goodbye, Professor Paula. Bye, Mila and Morphle. Now, time to turn myself back.
Oh no! My teddy paws can't use the teddy zapper!
Did you hear all that? Yeah, I love teddy bears. Ooh, just think of all the fun we could have if everyone in the city was a tiny little teddy bear.
Oh!
Mila teddy bear, best teddy bear.
Oh.
Bandits!
And they have the teddy zapper.
Not in my city.
We'll stop those bandits. Morphle, morph into a tiger. Let's go.
What do you two want?
Your magic pet.
What? No way. Hey! Turn me back immediately!
Wait right there, bandits. You're not getting your hands on our magic pets. Morphle, morph into a scary T-Rex.
Morphle, morph, morph!
We didn't think that through.
We still need to get the teddy zapper. Quick, catch them.
How about we turn you into a teddy bear?
The teddy zapper only works on humans.
Oh no! Now I'm a teddy bear! Oh, you're so cute!
Great! Now we can zap everyone back again.
That's better. But not for you two.
Oh, at least I'll have a cuddly teddy bear with me in jail. Let go of me!
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
This is RoboFreeze, a crime-fighting robot version of Officer Freeze.
What a good-looking fellow.
RoboFreeze has 3 settings: off, lenient, and strict. Let's have a demonstration. Mila, could you drop some litter, please?
Please pick up that litter.
Morphle, morph into a trash grabber.
Morphle, morph, morph!
Thank you. You are a good citizen.
Let's have a demonstration of the strict level.
Littering is a disease, and I'm the cure. You're under arrest. What's happening? Put me down!
I think I made the strict setting a bit too strict.
Morphle, we have to turn the dial on RoboFreeze's chest to off. Come on.
Freeze! You're under arrest for walking on the grass.
But I wasn't walking on the grass!
You were going to.
Huh?
Morphle, get RoboFreeze's dial.
Activate Robo Jetpack.
Morphle, morph into a super suit.
Morphle, morph, morph!
Let's go. Faster, Morphle. He's too fast, Morphle. But how do we catch an officer? By causing as much crime as possible.
Your crane is too noisy. You are under arrest.
What? I'm going to drop this litter.
Remain in your vehicle, citizen. I'll be back.
Here he comes! Morphle, morph into a police car.
Morphle! Morph!
Don't drop that. You're under arrest.
You'll have to catch me first.
RoboFreeze trapped!
Let me out. You're under arrest for being too strict. I've never had to arrest myself before.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. What shall we do today, Morphle?
Morphle want fun!
Ooh, that looks like fun. I know. Morphle, morph into a monster truck.
Monster truck? Ooh! Morph!
Let's have a monstrously good time.
What monster truck? Aha! Ice cream!
Hey!
Offer need drink!
Hey!
Offer play!
What was that?
Garbage fun!
Morphle, morph into a tow truck so we can drag this mischievous monster away.
Orphle strong!
Orphle, stop! Morphle, morph into a giant spider.
Morphle, morph!
Quick, Morphle, fire your web at Orphle and stop him. Morphle, he's not stopping. Shoot some more web onto one of his wheels. Well done, Morphle. This is a monster truck, Orphle.
Oh!
Now we can have fun together. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Look! A new lion is coming to the animal sanctuary.
I love lions.
Orphle love lions!
Lion! Lion!
Don't worry, Mechanic Joe. I think that was only Orphle. We'll find him. Morphle, morph into a sniffer dog.
Morphle! Morph!
Yes, you've got Orphle's scent. Let's go and get him!
But it wasn't Orphle.
Ah! Lion!
Morphle, morph into a safari truck!
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Lion?
Which way did Orphle go? Thanks.
They think the lion is Orphle.
There he is! Got him! Orphle, you're scaring everyone.
Orphle not scare anyone?
Lion! Morphle, Orphle, morph into toy mice.
Morphle and Orphle, morph, morph!
To the animal sanctuary.
Thank you for getting him back safely. Come on, Toodles.
Bye, Toodles!
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Okay. Here you go. Good gobble frog. Good gobble frog. Huh? Still hungry? But you've eaten all the snacks!
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Mila. Gobble Frog is hungry, and we've run out of food. We need food, and we need it now.
How about a pizza?
One pizza coming right up.
Hang in there, Daddy.
Hurry, Mila!
Excuse you?
Here you go.
Thank you. Morphle, morph into a pizza delivery van. Pizza, prepare to be gobbled. Aw, baby piggies. Wait, I know what you're doing. This is for Gobble Frog. Oh, no, you don't. We have to take this pizza to Daddy. It's an emergency.
Coffee and donuts are ready. Now that's an emergency.
The pizza! Morphle, we need to get that pizza fast. Hi, Daddy.
Are you almost here with a pizza, Mila?
I've nearly got it. We'll be with you as soon as we can. Gotta go. Almost. Almost. Gotcha. Bring me up, Morphle. Whoa. Morphle, help. Great catching, Morphle. Now we need to get to Daddy. Morphle and some rocket boosters. Let's go! Yeehaw! Ah, Daddy!
Hi, Mila! Oh, am I glad to see you!
Yikes! Who wants some delicious pizza? Here, Gobble Frog, catch!
Phew! Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
You're welcome, Daddy. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. One final touch, and ta-da! It's finished. Yes! I am Mila, queen of this castle. I am April Delize. I'm Jester Jordie. And I dub thee the bravest knight in the kingdom, Sir Morphle. Yeah! Come on, let's play.
Oh, Orphle wanna play in castle too. No fair.
You're so funny, Jester Jordie. We're under attack. Morphle, do something. Soccer shoe? Great idea! I'll help with my magic. Alakazoo! Alakazam! Send those balls back! Bam, bam, bam!
Oh, Orphle knocked down gate!
The castle is safe again. Thanks to brave knight Sir Morphle and magic wizard April. Yeah! He's going to knock down the gate. Follow me. Get ready. Now! Take it away, Morphle. Bye! Thanks to Sir Morphle, the kingdom is safe again. Quick, Morphle! Morph into a shield! Morphle, stop!
Let Orphle play!
Our castle! Orphle, if you wanted to join our game, all you had to do was ask.
Sorry.
I've got a great idea! Cool! I named this castle Castle Morphle Orphle. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.